Good morning student. Today we are going to start our new lesson, a collage. What is meant by collage? Here I write some information about collage. Collage is a piece of art made by sticking photographs or pieces of fabric on a paper. Collage is a art made by sticking various material such as photographs or pieces of fabric on a paper. Here a collage about Swami Vivekananda is given here to us. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. You know very well about Swami Vivekananda. He was born on 12 January and Swami Vivekananda's real name was Narendra Datta. He was a very great personality and he made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy, aware of the greatness of Indian culture. At the Parliament of World's Religious, he began his speech with Sisters and Brothers of America. When he went to attend the religious function in the Parliament to America, there when he started speech, he started the speech with the words Sister and Brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. When he uttered these words, Sister and Brother of America, every person who was present there gave him standing ovation. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. Emphasize means give importance. He gave importance to the selflessness and service to mankind. He gave importance to service to mankind means always thought about other people. How should we help others? Always thought about helping other peoples. He is regarded as a patriotic son. Swami Vivekananda is regarded as the patriotic son. Arise, awake and stop, not until the goal is reached. He gave the world a message, arise, awake and stop, not until the goal is reached. Means you decide your goal, you awake and you should work hard till you are not able to achieve your goal. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. He gave another message and he told to talk to ourselves once in a day, at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. And if you don't talk with yourself within a day, within every day, then you miss a chance. Then you miss a chance to talk and with an excellent person in the world. Means he told us that we are the excellent person in the world and we should talk to ourselves once in a day. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Means decide the aim of your life and think of it, dream of it, live on that idea and always think about that idea, always dream about that idea. Means what your goal is, what you decided for your life, to think about, always think about that goal, always dream about that goal and live on that idea and live your life, spend your life to be performed, to get your goal. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And he again said, full your bodies, every part, fill your bodies every part with that idea. Your nerves, your muscles, your bones, your brain, every part of your body fill with that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. And instead of that idea, means instead of your life's goal, leave all the other ideas beside. This is the way to success, and if you work in this way to achieve your goal, then you will be successful. Fill the brain with high thoughts. Fill your brain with high thoughts means always think about high thoughts, highest ideals. Always think about highest ideals, highest persons, great persons. Place them day and night before you. Place that highest ideas, place that highest personalities, ideals in your front day and night. Before you, and out of that will come great work. If you do in this way, if you thought always about the great personalities, if you thought always about the great thoughts, and if you put the great thoughts and great personalities day and night before your eye, then this is the way your great work will come out. Means in this way you will be able to perform great work. Whatever you think that you will be, whatever you think means whatever you think to be in your life, you will be. You will able to become like that. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. He told, if you think you are weak, you think I am weak, then always you will be weak. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. And if you think that I am very strong, and always you think about this, always you think like this in your mind, then you will be strong. Means he want to tell us the thoughts which come in our mind, the way in which we are thinking about ourselves or about everything, that our lives goes like that. That things will happen in our life. Means if you are thinking positively, everything will happen in your life positively. And if you are thinking negatively, then everything will happen in your life negatively. Means the happiness or the sorrow depends on our thinking. The success, the failure also depends on our thinking in our life. So he told us to change the way of thinking, our way of thinking about everything, about ourselves, about others, and about everything. This is the collage of Swami Vivekananda, thoughts collage. Here not the pictures, not the photographs are given to us, but this is the collage of Swami Vivekananda's thought. Here we finish our lesson, and now see this lesson on the digital board.
And create a collage that gives information about Swami Vivekananda. Collage. Wondering what am I up to? Well, my daughter has been assigned the task to create a presentation on any one famous personality. So, when I was just thinking over how to make her presentation stand out, I happened to come across my old scrapbooks. I particularly loved preparing these collages. I'm sure you're familiar with the word collage. It's a piece of art made by sticking various materials such as photographs and pieces of paper or fabric onto a backing. Come, let us try and create a collage that gives information about Swami Vivekananda. We'll begin by gathering some information on Swami Vivekananda. We shall use pictures, inspirational quotes, and a brief description of Swami Vivekananda's importance to prepare our collage. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. At the Parliament of World's Religions, he began his speech with Sisters and Brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic saint. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideals. Place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. Whatever you think, that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be.